In this video, I'll show you how to install ink cartridges for the Canon Pixma 6550i printer. The first thing you need to do is remove both ink cartridges from this plastic packaging. Then when you do that, you'll notice that there's an orange strip. Remove this strip from the cartridge, but make sure not to touch the print head or the contacts here. To access the ink trays, lift up this panel at the side of the printer like this. Then you need to make sure that you have the printer turned on so that the ink trays are available. And next you can see you have the black and the color, so this tells you where to put them. With your thumb, simply lift up both of these blue lids so that the ink cartridges can be installed. We'll do the one on the left, which is the color cartridge. And you want to place it in at a downward angle like this, and then let it fall flat. So there's the color done, and then we will do the same with the black. Once again, place it at a downward angle and then it will fall flat on its own. And now you just need to push down both of these lids until they click. To close the printer, you want to lift up this part like this to release the latch, and then firmly press it down to close it. You can then check the ink levels by coming over to the control panel and scrolling down under printer details. You can see you have the estimated ink levels, so that's going to show you how much you have